5 Best Vacuum and Steam Cleaner All-in-One Reviews. Number 1. Bissell Crosswave Floor and Carpet Cleaner. For multi-surface cleaning purposes, if people looking for the best vacuum cleaner with steam, then I must suggest this one. Bissell Crosswave must one of the attractive device which has smart touch controls on its handle. Its easy functionality will never make you disturbed during use. To ensure the higher performance there, you will have a brush roll that can be rotating at 3.5 kRPM. Impressively, there are 2 different tanks for water and dirt containing. It can contain 793 grams water and 411 g dirt. Besides that, it has a 25 feet long power cord too. Bissell Crosswave is for people who need a smart and handy steam and vacuum cleaner for home. This is not a professional using device, though it can use it in office, but for limited office. Number 2. Shark VM252 Cordless Vac Mop Pro. Since the inception of modern technology and its advancement, the lives of people have become more comfortable and more accessible. This Pro cordless hard floor vacuum from Shark is one of the most technologically advanced vacuums you will find in the present market. It is a vacuum and steam cleaner all in one. This vacuum is a handy one for cleaning large floors in a short time. The Shark Vac Mop Hard Floor technology and powerful suction feature make the device a must-to-have things for your residence or office. All in all, it makes cleaning easy and hassle-free. The specialized suction system stores dirt, hair, and other wastes inside the padded dirt storing chamber. This vacuum can break down the stuck messes with the help of absorbing pills. The tool is specially built for the complete cleaning of hard-sealed floors. It has great functionality when it comes to cleaning a space. Number 3. Roborock S5 Robotic Vacuum and Mop Cleaner. Who doesn't want to have the handiest and easy to use the thing in the minimum price? Roborock S5 Robotic Vacuum Stream Cleaner is such a type of thing. The most amazing thing is it does not need your support to work. This robotics cleaner and mopping device defines dust by an integrated laser mapping system. This used to detect dust of your surface and it works on its own. People who don't have time to operate regular cleaner to clean their living place, they should take this. You just need to turn it on at your place and forget about this. It will clean all the way on its own. No cord issue here. It has a 5200 mAh battery life, which can give more than 150 minutes long last service. It has a couple of pairs of water tank filters. Besides this, there you will have a strong 2000 pascal suction force. There is an app in PlayStation that you can use to control this device.
Number 4. Tineco iFloor Cordless Wet Dry. Those people who want to clean the surface but want to avoid the hassle of the cord, this product item is for them. The Tineco iFloor is the best cordless vacuum and steam cleaner in the market now. Minimalistic look, easy to carry, and enough griping holding facility it has. People who have a pet but want to avoid complexity, those should Tineco iFloor Cordless. It has a specialty to clean pets' fur and hair and push hot steam on it to make sure the hygienic issue. Even this is suitable to clean the large convention center or big space. Of course, it has a dual water tank and a solution trigger. The water tank can contain 550 milliliters, and this needs minimum time to become warm. At the same time, a secondary water tank can contain 400 milliliters water. As it does not cord to power up, it has an integrated battery. Once it becomes full charge, it can perform 3 to 4 hours easily.
Number 5. Bissell Symphony Pet Steam Mop and Vacuum. In the budget range of $150, fewer vacuum steamer has in the market to perform well. Bissell Symphony is one of the best from those types of vacuum mop. Its powerful cyclonic vacuum formula will suck fur, dust, pet's hair from your rugs, and carpet, even from the surface. For ordinary purposes where it needs to use in the hose, insider of car and another surface, you can get Bissell Symphony. I mean all the places where your pets can arrive, this thing is perfect for those places. Still, if you don't have a pet but you need a steam and vacuum cleaner, this is suggested for you. The special feature of this cleaner is the pet model tank. This tank contains all the pet dirt, and it's easy to drop all those after cleaning without making your hands dirty. Then again, it has an 11-inch wide path cleaning pad. Interestingly, this thing takes 400 watts of electricity at the time of cleaning and 1100 watt at the time of steaming.